Hi, Ron K. Kaufman here, and I wanted to tell you about this course called Autism Spirit: How to Create a Deep Spiritual Relationship with Your Autistic Loved One. Whether that is your son, your daughter, your spouse, your significant other, your brother or sister, your friend, this is really powerful for this. How to create a deep spiritual relationship and connection to your autistic loved one. And that's what this course is about. It's actually the first weekend in June. It's Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, and it's in person. And it is at the Omega Institute in Rhinebeck, New York. And Kate C. Wild and I are really excited to teach this and have this time with you. Have a special time all in a room together with people kind of walking the same path. And we're going to really dive into how to create and cultivate this kind of spiritual connection. As you know, this is really special for me because I was diagnosed with profound autism and at the time wasn't even speaking using language that other people could understand. And it's so important. You know, autistic people are spiritual beings just like the rest of you are. So it's really important to cultivate this. And it's really missing in a lot of relationships because we get really focused on either fixing them or something about the situation or getting them to be different in some way so that, you know, we can feel better about how we're relating to them. And it's okay. Like that's really common. But what about this other part, the part about connecting with them exactly as they are, loving them and communicating with them in a way that feels like love to them, and then creating a sense of safety for them in doing that, which then creates more of a connection and communication between you. It's going to have a practical side of understanding deep aspects of what's going on for them, how autism works, how you can create a sense of safety for them. So it's going to have that practical aspect of them. It's also going to have the deep spiritual and emotional side of it. How do you cultivate in yourself a sense of not being attached to them, changing in a certain way, enjoying them as they are, not giving what we would call false worldly meaning to what they're doing, which is when we take something that they're doing and we make it mean something about their love for us or them or us or how we're doing or what the future is going to hold. This really can create problems, creating that false worldly meaning. So we go into many different layers of this, and you can really not only have just a great sense of community in this course, but really leave with both a set of practical things that you can do to improve and enhance your relationship with them and understanding of them and their understanding of you, and also leave as a person that's in a different space inside with your connection with them, so that you can really feel a sense of open-hearted, easy connection that isn't wrapped up in like other baggage from your life. It's very, very powerful. We would love for you to join us. Just go to the website we provide. It's actually part of the Omega website that's directly connected to our course. The course is super affordable. It's $365. There's actually two prices, $365 and $405, depending on whether you're a member or not. But it's really accessible, and we would absolutely love to see you there. And I know your autistic loved one probably would too.